Are you looking for an easy and simple focaccia bread recipe? Well, you come to the right channel. Anke here from Swedish Cooking. This focaccia bread recipe is so easy to make, you don't even need to knead the dough. All you need is a bit of patience, because you have to wait for a few hours for the dough to rise. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. But now, without further ado, let's get started. Now, I was lucky enough to rescue a couple of pieces from my family, because surely my focaccia bread is hit with my kids and my husband. So I made a beautiful sandwich, just a simple sandwich with some chutney and some cheese, so you can enjoy it as a sandwich, or the more rustic way. Just break off a piece and dip it in a little bit of good extra virgin olive oil. There you go, just like that. This is pure bliss. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. And don't forget to check out my next video where I show you how to make a sourdough focaccia bread. I hope to see you there. Sweetest cooking, everyone.